Hello, I'm Vivek Goyal, and I would like to thank you for taking out time to watch this presentation on practicum work I did as a partial fulfillment of credits for MSBA program at NTU Singapore. I would like to start with a quick summary of work done during this period. I worked as a data analytics intern at Johnson Controls, and the goal of this internship was to explore, collect, and analyze data for understanding of technology, well-being, and indoor environments to create evidence-backed solution for healthier and safer indoor spaces in near future. The internship started with a development plan to get us all used to tools and technologies required for work in first month, succeeded by assignment of mini project with deadline to finish it by the end of this first phase, which was in this Feb 21. Continuous trainings were organized in collaboration with Microsoft to incorporate the use of Azure tools and technologies to complete this mini project during this period. At last, I finished the mini project with the development of end-to-end orchestration pipeline for ingesting data to Azure Data Lake, processing data using PySpark, and finally creating the visualization reports for Power BI. Overall, the experience was quite enriching so far, and it's a good supplement to the MSBA curriculum content.
So today I'm taking the interns to Microsoft Experience Center, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Really, it was really great. Thank you so much. I hope this gives you a good overall idea of the work I did during this period. Now, I would like to dive into each section in more details and share with you my experience step by step. I would start with a quick background of my company. Next, I would state the problem of this internship. And later, I would dive into the technical aspects of this internship, giving you some fun facts at the same time. At last, I would conclude my presentation with the goals I achieved and state the future work that we plan to do. Johnson Controls is a company which is in a phase of laying foundation for its digital transformation. The company opened its OpenBlue Innovation Center in Singapore in collaboration with NUS and Singapore Economic Development Board. The aim of this innovation center is to pioneer the digital solutions for built environment and accelerate digital transformation through its 4 platforms of ecosystem, orchestration, research and innovation, platform and solution engineering, and solution innovation and co-creation. The internship problem which I worked on belonged to research and innovation platform through which the company aims at investing in future of built environment, focusing on enhancing experiences through spatial, behavioral and wellness initiatives. This is tasked to achieve through techniques of collecting and analyzing continuously generated data in Innovation Center to understand the interaction of people and technology and develop a solution to create healthier and safer indoor spaces in near future. So the problem statement actually consisted of a mixture of development plan, trainings from Microsoft partner, and the mini project which was assigned for testing our gain knowledge. So the development plan, it actually included initial some mandatory corporate trainings, then getting familiar with tools and technologies like Azure Platform, Power Apps, Cognitive Services, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, and Grafana. In addition to it, the task assigned in terms of mini project included exploration on real-time weather data to generate some meaningful insights. The problem mainly consisted of building orchestration pipelines to manage that flow of data from these public APIs, transform that data into operable format, and finally analyze and build models to generate insights from this data generated through real-time weather APIs. The purpose of this work was to generate insights which can be later combined with analytics generated based on data collected in Innovation Center and build solutions to create healthy environment to work. Hello. So before talking about technical aspect, let me introduce you to my workspace. So yes, this is my workspace working from home. So like as we all know that the COVID situation is going on and the offices are closed. So it's pretty much work from home for us going on. And the normal interaction, it remains using Microsoft Teams. Now, let me deep dive into the technical aspect and share you a quick summary of what all tools, technologies we used and what all we built. So let me just quickly share my screen. So this is our complete Azure workspace where we did all analytics work. So as you can see here, you'll see some pipelines here. So these were the pipelines that we built during this period. And these pipelines were basically the orchestration pipelines that was bringing data from the original source and ingesting it to the data lake and finally putting it to the SQL pool from where this data was accessed using the Power BI and was used for the further reports generation. So here you can see it is combination of few activities, and these activities are doing all those pulling data, ingesting data, transforming data to finally display it on the Power BI reports. So these was the pretty much activities that we developed during this period, and this was the data lake that where we used to store our data, and finally we used to pull this data into the SQL pool, which is again one of the feature of Azure Synapse here. And finally we used this data on the visualization reports to create some to generate some interesting insights from the data that we queried from using these activities. So yeah, this was pretty much what all tools and technologies we were using during this period for our mini project trainings and generating our insights. Definitely. It was not just work that I did during this period. I got to make some really great friends who were always supportive and helped me whenever I felt stuck. We had some great outings as well, including conquering the highest point in Singapore at Bukit Timah and even exploring the Pulau Ubin Island bicycling with team. I must say I was lucky to work with such a vibrant and supportive team who helped me tackle challenges smoothly during my work around. Yeah, that pretty much sums up my internship experience so far. The experience at JCI has been really great so far, with lots of learnings and exciting experiences as well. Receiving constructive feedbacks from my manager, support from a great team, these continuously supports my growth over here. The work is a bit challenging but exciting so far. In future as well, I would be continuing with similar kind of work, but excited due to new challenges that may arise due to assignment of new project in phase 2. I am confident that coming period could be more exciting due to electives to take in MSBA course. The electives would definitely supplement my learning and provide a good backbone to practicum work I would continue on. So thank you again for listening to my presentation. I hope this gives you a good idea of my work so far. Thank you.